Hello out there, all you women warriors. Welcome to my channel, Body Language with Dr. Stan. In today's video, we're going to be walking through how to insert a tampon step by step. Now we're going to need a little anatomy lesson, so I brought this paper mache model to help you visualize your lady region. The first thing you'll want to do is locate your vagina. Now, you have 3 holes. The first hole is the urethra. This is where your urine comes out. This hole is very small and cannot accept a tampon. It would be very painful if you tried. In the back, we have the rectum. This is where your stool comes out. You should be relatively familiar with this hole. In between the two is the vaginal opening. There is one thing to keep in mind before you insert your first tampon, and that is knowing if your hymen has been broken yet. The hymen is a thin piece of tissue that covers the vaginal opening. There's a possibility that when you insert your first tampon, you may break or stretch the hymen, which could result in bleeding and or pain. But don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Most people don't even feel it. Now, with the anatomy lesson out of the way, you're ready to go. To access your vagina, you need to separate your labia until you can see your vaginal opening. Keeping a firm grip, gently slide the plastic applicator all the way in until your fingers touch the opening of your vagina. Then press the smaller tube to insert the tampon. Remove the plastic applicator, leaving the string hanging out. Congratulations! You've just inserted your first tampon. Now go out there and rock it, girl!